solutions happening today, we hope. For those of you that are just now following us, we're coming out of 6 years of van life, and our latest van that we just sold had a really incredible garage that fit both our bicycles, all our gear, all our outdoor gear. So our project is kind of to try and find a way to store.
We're going to build a garage in our camper truck. I was able to get everything that fit in our van garage under a bed. I had 2 bikes on bike slides, a little bit of storage room on the sides for just odds and ends, these are helmets and shoes and stuff. And then we had 2 drawers, and pretty much everything that was in those drawers and the odds and ends fit in the little side compartments of the camper. But nothing big fits in the camper. Bikes, Irene's big lawn chair, fishing poles, that sort of thing.
So for now, we've been putting my bicycle inside the camper, which is not ideal because every time we stop, my bike is in the back of the door, right? So we have to unload the bike to get inside the camper. Our original solution to that problem, we were thinking we would put my bike off the back. Now, we have been storing your bicycle in the back seat.
Right. So we've been real careful on storage. We're trying to, go about this, with some method to our madness, taking our time and kind of seeing how things go. So in the back seat of the pickup, we have 1 bike, our folding canoe from my canoe, and her chair and a few other things. And so the decision has been made: do we take the back seat out, and maybe if we do that, both bikes would fit back there? My original thought was just to leave the back seat intact for a while and maybe mount her mountain bike. I got a waterproof cover for it. Then I didn't want to stick out anywhere past the back of the camper. I wanted to stay for longer than we've ever been before, and I don't want to be any longer, so I didn't want to have the bikes mounted sticking out here. And so my thought was, I have a protective case for her wheel and a protective case for the bike, and I was going to put like a 6-inch piece of angle aluminum here and here that the back tire would sit down into, like this, and then secure the bike to the ladder.
That actually would work.
It would work great, and the door shuts, it latches through here, everything's out of the way. So we kept thinking, do we really need the back seat in the truck? Wouldn't it be nice just to have both bikes inside, nothing strapped outside? So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna attempt to take the back seat out of a pickup, which I've never done before.
So let's get back there and see if we can't take the seat out.
Yeah, I don't have a lot of tools. It looks like it's just a 3/4 inch socket, but I'm pretty convinced that when they put those seat bolts in there, they're meant to stay. So they've probably got like permanent Loctite. So it's going to be, I don't know, I might have to go buy a bigger ratchet or a cheater bar or something, but we're going to find out.
All right, and then we'll see if my bike fits in the back.
So yeah, that's a lot of
it's a lot of space.
A lot of space back there. So it looks like there's 2 bolts on each side. Each side has a plug. Now I don't know what that goes to, other than maybe if it has heated seats, which I don't think we do. But
we don't, no.
But I'm just gonna push in this lever here and pull that out.
We'll figure out what to do with that later, huh?
So I got 2 bolts here, the same thing on the other side. And then this one seat belt is going to have to be taken off from here. And I think that's it. At least that's all I can see from here.
Okay.
So all I have for tools is this will be my cheater bar if I need it. Okay. Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
It's actually easier than I thought it was going to be.
Nice.
Yeah, they don't want the seat to come off, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna try.
And how many of those do you have? You said 5?
Yeah, 2, 4, 5.
Okay.
Oh. Oh boy.
Thank goodness for time lapse because those took a while. Was it? Do you have a 5? You got that middle one out? Oh, okay. I better help. Are we gonna come your way or?
See how these?
Oh,
These
they
were down
hooked
into here.
in. I see. Okay, cool. Nice. It's a lot of space.
A lot of weight came out of the.
Oh
truck,
yeah, true. I like that. Do we need to look at these and see?
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of pull back in here and see if I can't find a safe place to tuck these away.
Yeah.
I just secure them back there somewhere.
Yeah.
I decided to put the bolts back in where they were. You could actually see the ground through there. So, okay, on the other side, then I'm gonna bring your bike in, see what happens. Now eventually we'll probably put some sort of, once we get where they're going to go, I can build some fork mounts. I've seen, we met a guy at Santos Campground that's got the same camper. He did a pretty cool thing in his back seat where he put a wooden platform out to here, and the bikes, 2 bikes were mounted on it, and it had storage underneath it. So I'm just not sure where things are going to go yet, so that'll be another day.
Mm-hmm.
But so far it looks like we're gonna have room for my bike and the canoe.
Yeah.
Let's find it.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if my road bike will fit in without taking the front wheel off. Can you shut that door?
Let's see. I think so. I think it was your bike that got.
No, it's this wheel here.
Oh.
I thought I had it in far enough, but it's.
Okay. Do you want me to pull it my way a little?
Well, what I gotta do is to go your way.
I see.
This has to go out.
Yeah.
So.
Or make the fork go the other way. Twist this the other way.
This will stick out the door.
Oh.
So I was hoping to keep it sideways, but that's not bad.
No, that's fine. Should we try it again? I'll shut mine first, and then you can finagle your side.
I ain't shut.
What's it look like over here?
Looks good.
Oh, the fit. They both fit.
Yeah, just gonna see if this is.
Nice. Here comes the canoe. That's... Okay, wait. You're hooked up on my pedal. Okay, push. You could come forward more. Oh, wow, look at that. Like a glove. That's perfect. It fits, it all fits. I mean, my wheel's got to go in there, but there's plenty of room for that.
Oh, our bike shoes and
My chair,
your chair.
helmet, the helmets and stuff can go here. Look at that! We got both our bikes inside, babe. I'm excited.
Yeah.
They're not gonna get dirty, they won't be out in the elements.
Yeah, I may wind up doing a fork mount. I mean, I can put get a piece of plywood that's this big that I just bolt down through here.
Yeah.
And then just put a fork mount right on that right there.
That way they're not.
And that bike is
moving around.
solid.
Yeah.
You don't want that hitting anything. And then this, I don't know.
Yeah, but this is the first step.
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah, the only thing I'll have to go in here is I got my fishing pole and trekking poles. I was thinking maybe like some type of rack.
Yeah,
like
because that's a wasted space there.
Like the old gun racks or something where I could put
Yep.
those up there.
Mm-hmm.
They make some here that go across the back seats, but I think they might get in the way.
Mm-hmm. No garage, no problem. we're making it work. I love it.
Yeah. Any suggestions, ideas? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, I know a lot of people did suggest taking the back seat out, and that's definitely going to work.
Yeah, I just didn't want to do it right away. I wanted to see what it was like.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Stay tuned. See you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
Join us on Patreon for extra content and all our videos early release and ad-free.
And check out the children's book that Irene wrote. You can get it on Amazon, or if you want an autographed copy, go to our website, carryonvagabond.com.
All proceeds go directly to the Green Bean Fund. Thanks again, and
Carry on.
carry on.